Hi everyone, Wayne here. Hey, today I've got for you the Makita 36 volt 16-inch bar chainsaw. And I just put some topped off the bar chain oil. Always got to be careful with that. This thing is nice. It's quiet. It's strong. It's got a long battery life. And we're going to make a couple cuts with it here just to show everybody what it's about. As you can see, it's not that loud. So let's give it a whirl. There's one. Let's make this a little bit smaller here. Cuts like butter. I love this thing. We actually cut down this sycamore tree with it last fall, and it's about ready to burn pretty soon. But we've got it all piled up on the side here. Did a great job. The tree was big enough that down low you couldn't really get the bar all the way through it. You had to make 2 cuts, but that's okay. It was a big tree, and really proud of the way this thing did. And I highly recommend it. It's just fabulous. Okay, I think that if you got use for a saw, maybe this is one you should use. Thanks a lot.